Hi, I'm Steve Meyer, and I started Head Drums about 10 years ago with the idea that if we could make the perfect drum shell at a reasonable price, that we could improve the sound of the drum set. And that's what we set out to do, and I think that's what we've been able to accomplish. The theory of this is that when you put a drum head on a drum shell, you're transferring the energy through the bearing edge. The drum head acts like a guitar string and vibrates using the same type of wave mechanics, so it's like a guitar string rotated around a point in space to produce a flat plane. In a guitar or piano or violin, when you transfer the vibrating energy into the wood, you're doing it perpendicular to the string, and so the bearing edge acts the same as the bridge or the nut in a guitar or in a violin or in a piano. All of the same basic mechanics. By orienting all the wood perpendicular to the head, we get better transfer of energy, better sensitivity, typically louder drums, more sensitive drums, better dynamic range. And we make a 1/4 inch thick, or essentially thin shell, stave constructed drums. And this is a 8-inch rack tom in African mahogany. And every drum shell we make has pitch. So every drum has pitch, and every drum can be tuned precisely to a pitch, and you can actually orient your drum kit to certain steps. You can change the pitch of the drum set to be in the key of a piece of music when you're recording. All of these are attributes that we think will lead you to finding your own voice on the instrument through the range of woods that we can choose from, and in addition to that, having an instrument that's more sensitive, more articulate, greater dynamic range, really allowing you to find your own voice on the drum set.